Last time we were here, we checked out some other activities, but today we're going to look at what's in a name. Looks like Rotary Ann was built in the early 1900s by Rotary Ann. And yes, too, we have explored the Ozark National Forest, including walking. Hey, we've got Hull Creek Falls, we've got Big Piney Creek, we've got the Ozark Islands Trail, we've got Pedestal Rocks, we've got Elm Cove, Kings Bluff, and Moccasin Gap. And keep in mind, here in the Ozark National Forest, recreation is a natural. And of course, brought to you by the U.S. Forest Service and the Department of Agriculture. And yes, you need to see the forest and the trees. The Ozark National Forest is managed to provide habitat for a variety of wildlife, numerous recreational opportunities, scenic landscapes, jobs which help support rural lifestyles for rednecks, food for livestock, minerals for fuel and manufacturing, clean air, stable soil, high water quality, wood products, and healthy trees for the future. That's right. Please keep in mind that while you're in here taking a dump, there is no smoking allowed. And please, this is for trash only. Solo basura. Yes, it's 5:53 on Saturday morning, August 5th actually, August 5th. This is Hurricane Creek. There's a little bit of flow, not a lot, but at least there's some. We're going to be going into Hurricane Creek Wilderness area soon. Not quite yet. It's about 69 degrees. It was supposed to be cooler, but I believe there's a goodly bit of cloud cover that's kept it from getting cooler than they expected. So let's see if I can get across this creek. I don't care much about getting wet since I'm going to be wading some of the time. I'm going to go a little bit through the shrubbery at the moment. Try and stay close to the creek or in it. Keep in mind that it's August, and August is it is tick larva season. When those little bastards come out of their eggs and infest the woods. So one must be ever vigilant. Back to creek level, wading through the creek. And that's the best way to go. 6:15, sunrise 6:24. It's still pretty cloudy. Pretty damn cloudy. I need to get me a beaver stick so I don't fall. It feels pretty good out here. It's, I don't have my thermometer. I'm thinking about 68 maybe, but it's a little humid. Cloudy, but it looks, like thin clouds. They may kind of fade away later on. And yes, I did forget my fishing rod. Stupid.
full bed. I mean, let's look at that. They got some prime smallmouth and muskellunge habitat right there. I mean, the muskellunge, they just love this crap. Sunrise has come. It's 6:27. I see a little bit of clearing up fire. Looking good, looking good. Looking damn good. It's very peaceful out here. Just one of those big juicy boulders. Big juicy boulder. So big, so juicy. Just the way I like my boulders. Big, fat and juicy. Just look at that boulder, how big and juicy it is. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, that's so big, that boulder. It's so juicy as well. One might say that it's large. That's just downstream from the boulders. Over there you've got a nice little bluff above the creek. And then you've got a bigger bluff right above the creek right there. With some other boulders in the water. Oh my goodness, there's a snake. in the water right there. What should I do? Should I run? I don't know what to do, but the snake, oh my goodness. Oh, thank goodness it's swimming away from me. Oh, and there's the boulder. Oh, cloud shot. Oh, oh, oh. Well, we've come nigh upon the big juicy boulder, and as you can see, it's really, really juicy up close. It's almost too juicy. Almost too juicy to comprehend. Damn you, clouds, damn you. I wonder where that snake went. So fearful of snakes. Not. Goodness, there's a big ass smallmouth swimming right there. Only had me a bushcraft fashion spear, I could surely catch that thing, man. All right, man, I've managed to make it past the boulders after much very scary wading through yonder pool. No, this does not look good either. My goodness. I thought that other boulder was large and juicy, but just look at that one. That one's space shuttle size, I would say, maybe even bigger. Look at all those boulders. That's right, those are not bluffs, those are all freestanding boulders that had fallen from the bluff side up the hill, rolled down the hill, and as they rolled down the hill, they settled here. Yes, rolled and settled. That's what boulders do, you know. Often. Well, not often, but when they do it big. They do it damn big, man. Yes. Jolly damn big, man. about us. Oh my goodness. When will the boat end? Oh, they end there. That's a good rapid, man. Oh boy. Oh, it's dark up on these woods, man. It's dark and it's scary. I'm scared, man. It's too dark. What's that? The boat is they're too juicy to get around, I think. He thinks I must go up. There is just too much damn juiciness. Too damn much. It's a rugged section through here. All these boulders and deep pools. I know there's a trail up the hill over here, but that's the way I'm coming back, so I'm gonna avoid that. Ooh. Yep. There you go. Another excellent rapid. There's a nice seat. They call me Bobby Boulder. That's right, Bobby Boulder. Or is it Billy Boulder? It's Bobby. Bobby Boulder. It's Bobby Dam Boulder. Middle name Dam. First name Bobby, last name Boulder. Bobby Boulder. I'll tell you, man, this is a hell of a long rapid. Like a nice one. I don't believe I have seen this with water in it. So I can only imagine. It's got numerous drops, lots of rocks. Looks damn good, man. A side tributary coming in here. think I have ever hiked this entire section of creek bed. I was thinking I had, but really, most of it doesn't look familiar. I was looking south, man. Well, I was looking north. Look at the waves in this rock, man. Different levels of wear over the billions and billions of years. I mean billions. Billions upon billions. I just lost billions, man. In my opinion, it's too damn many billions. There's more billions that I want to think about. Not too much farther to go upstream before the river takes a turn. And that's where I'm going to stop. Eat some lunch. Head back. Alright, man, what we got here is evidence of beaver. Yeah, you know, that's good because them beaver, them's good eating, man. So I'm gonna try to hunt me up one, and I'll see if I can't serve myself up one for lunch. That sounds pretty damn good. Beaver on a stick, man, over an open fire, made bushcraft style. You know, I ain't nothing but her. Nothing but her. You know, you make you up a bushcraft style fire, man, with your bare hands. You know, you don't even need sticks or anything. You just use your bare hands and you get that fire going. If you know what you're doing, that ain't no thing. You know, I've done it many times because I am bushcraft educated, and I know the ways of the bush. You show me a bush and I'll show you what to do with that bush, man. I ain't kidding. I ain't kidding. Look at this, man. Them beaver been all through here. They just strip us all up and eating that bark and shit. So I'm on the hot trail of some beaver action. It ain't gonna be long. I'm gonna be eating me some of that stuff. Beaver on a stick, man. Well, you know, I was down by the creek and there's a man down there, and he said, hey. And I said, hey. And I said, what is it you require of me? And he says, I require that you get your ass up in them woods. You know, and I smacked him with my stick and said, hey, you get your ass down in that creek. I ain't getting my ass up in that wood. It's not for you. So, he's laying down there in the creek. I don't know, he could be dead, I don't know. Alright, man, the natural bridge is up on that bluff somewhere. I can't see it. Too much foliage in the way. But it's up there somewhere. Look at that, man, 11 o'clock and the sun's out. Well, for the moment, kinda. I was looking down the hill towards the creek. I just stopped along the trail, had me some lunch. It was quite tasty. 11:30. Feels pretty good out here. About 73 degrees. The sun has come out. It's a little breezy. It's very pleasant. Quite. $11:49, and here we are back at Trash Town. That's right, Trash Town.
I'll do it for 40.